How to rearrange photos in gallery on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to rearrange photos on your gallery. Without any further delay, let us just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your gallery option on your device. The settings might be different depending on the device you have, but you basically have to open up your gallery. Then from there, you have various options. The first one at the top right, you can find the three dots. If you tap on it, you can either show or hide essential albums, add other essential albums from there. And if you want to create a new album, you can just go ahead and tap on the plus icon. Then from here, you can tap on album to create a new album. So I'll just tap on create here. Once you have the album here, select the item that you want to add. So I'll go over here, add a few pictures, tap on done, and then I'll just copy these to my other album. So this way you can easily manipulate your albums, and you can also have an option to sort your pictures. Tap on the three dots and then tap on sort. Then you can do it by date created, ascending or descending, or date modified, and even their name. The one other thing you can do is tap on the menu, and from there you can find your videos, your favorites, and you can also clean out the repeated photos or duplicate photos. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.